Hello everyone. Can India build its own version of the S-400 air defense system? According to Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, the answer is yes, and it's called Project Kusha. Described as a game changer for India's security, this indigenous missile shield could transform the country's air defense architecture. But what exactly is Project Kusha, and why is it making headlines in The Hindu? Let's understand this. Project Kusha is an indigenous long-range surface-to-air missile system being developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. Its primary objective is to protect India against multiple aerial threats, including fighter aircraft, stealth aircraft, cruise missile, ballistic missile, drones, and UAVs. It is expected to become India's indigenous alternative to advanced imported air defense systems like Russia's S-400, while strengthening the country's self-reliance in defense technology. Project Kusha is designed as a three-layer air defense system with different interceptors missile. M1 interceptor is around 150 km range. M2 interceptor it is around 250 km range, and M3 interceptor it is around 350 to 400 km range. This layered architecture allows India to engage incoming threats at multiple distances, increasing interception successes. The system will also include advanced long-range surveillance radars, fire control radars, networked command and control centers, integration with the Indian Air Force Integrated Air Command and Control System. These features will enable simultaneously tracking and engagement of multiple airborne threats. Project Kusha came into focus after Defense Minister Rajnath Singh described it as a game changer during the inauguration of the Advanced Weapons System complex in Hyderabad. He highlighted that indigenous air defense capabilities are becoming increasingly important due to evolving warfare involving drones, precision guided weapons, electronic warfare, and hypersonic technologies. Project Kusha is significant because it strengthens Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense manufacturing, it reduces dependence on imported missile systems, it enhances protection of military bases, strategic assets, and major cities. It is also expected to become a major component of Mission Sudarshan Chakra, India's proposed multi-layered national air and missile defense network. For UPSC, this topic is important under GS Paper 3, Science and Technology, Defense Technology, Internal Security, and Atmanirbhar Bharat in Defense. At last, Project Kusha is more than just a missile program. It represents India's ambition to build a world-class indigenous air defense shield capable of protecting the nation from modern aerial threats. Thank you for watching.